Hi, welcome to this quick video where I want to show you what I personally think is the best pen, full stop, hands down, end of conversation. I have bought lots of expensive, mid-range and cheap pens in my life, and after evaluating all of them, I genuinely think this is the best one. So it's the Caran 888 Infinite Ball Pen, and I have these in multiple colours. I carry one with me all the time. This one is always on my desk. It's a great pen. Writes very smoothly on any type of paper, be it notebook, scrap paper, which I'm going to show you right now, and whatever you use. It's fantastic and writes well on everything. The key benefit of this pen is the refill. So that's it's called the Swiss Ride. And I think that name is perfect for this because it really does glide over any paper that you use it on. I have even bought, they've got a slightly more premium ballpoint that comes in metal. And I actually ended up selling that on eBay after a few months, years ago, because I found the refill wasn't that great. It's the ball pen that they sell in special editions. It comes in a metal box. I think it's called the 849. And I don't personally rate the refill. The pens are nice, but I don't rate the refill. So yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick demo of this to show you how smooth it is. Got a nice line, very easy to use. Like I said, it comes in multiple colours. It comes in yellow, green, red, white, you name it, they've got a colour for it. And I've also made a full review of this pen on penlounge.com. So that's a new forum that I've created for stationery and pen lovers. I found that the biggest one online, as you probably know, is pretty clunky and old, and there's a lot of gatekeepers there. So if you wanted to join and have a look at the full review of the pen, once again, it's penlounge.com. You can see it on the screen. It's free to join at the moment, so feel free to get in there and have a look at this, and also to write your own reviews and have a conversation in the different forum areas for paper, pen, stationery, you name it. If you want to buy one at a 10% discount, there's actually a code in the description below to Cult Pens if you're interested. Thanks.